The living room is very spacious. We have a kitchen that has two parallel slabs. You can place your king size bed. The space besides the bed is... Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we'll do a show flat tour of Green Terraces in Godrej City by Godrej Properties. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the sales office of the project. We will get into the details of the project, but first let us know what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is India's one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. Talking about the connectivity, Atal Setu and Navi Mumbai International Airport is at just 20 minutes drive from the project. Nearest local railway station is Mohape, that is upcoming and is only 3 kilometers away. This project is located bang on Old Mumbai-Pune highway and we are standing inside the township. This road goes straight to the Old Mumbai-Pune highway that is 2 minutes away. Let's talk about the project overview of this project. Godrej City is spread across 145 acres, whereas Green Terraces is spread across 7.17 acres. Green Terraces consist of 5 towers with each G plus 38 stories with configurations like 2 and 3 BHK, and you will also get Jodi available as per your choice, whether 2 plus 2 or 3 plus 3. Talking about the amenities, the project has 40 plus amenities spread across 2.7 acres inclusive of 7.17 acres. It has a clubhouse that is spread across 18,000 square feet with multi-purpose hall, indoor badminton court and many more. It has a basketball court, a kids play area and a half Olympic size swimming pool, and we also get a kids swimming pool besides it. It has 60 retail outlets in the project. One of the USP of this project is that each flat comes with a balcony and you have a golf course view. Now let's move to the show flat of this project. Hello everyone, and we are standing outside the 2 BHK of Green Terraces in Godrej City by Godrej Properties. This 2 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 753 square feet. Let's move to the show flat tour of this 2 BHK. As we enter, we have this foyer area that is spacious enough for 2 people to enter at the same time. As we enter, right on our right hand side, we have a kitchen that has 2 parallel slabs, and as you can see, we have this space provided for your refrigerators. Also, it is spacious enough for 2 people to walk even if one drawer is open. And right in front, we have a utility balcony that is spacious enough to keep your washing machine and build your own customizable closet. The partition between the living room and the kitchen gives you full privacy. As we come forward, we have this dining area provided where you can sit and have dinner with your whole family. As you can see, the living room is very spacious for your whole family to sit together, watch TV or play games, whatever you like to do. The balcony has full French windows as well. That will give you a great view. It also has a balcony which is very spacious. It is spacious enough for your whole family to sit at the same time and have snacks. Moving forward towards the bedroom. As we move forward, on the left hand side we have a common washroom that will come with all the wall fittings and anti-skid tiles. The washroom is also very spacious. Moving towards the first bedroom, The bedroom is very spacious and you have this area provided that you can customize as your study or your TV unit. Over here we have half French windows that will give you a great view of the locality. As you can see, the space besides the bed is also enough for you to walk, and you can customize this area as your makeup or your study table besides the wardrobe space provided. We will move to the last master bedroom, but first let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and the cons of the project, and also we give you full pricing with all the EMI and down payment options. We also give you a 360-degree tour of the project. And if you like the project and you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Let's move to the master bedroom of this 2 BHK. As we enter, you can see you can place your king size bed. The space besides the bed is also very spacious. Right in front of the bed area, we have a TV unit, and beside that we have an area that you can customize as your study table. We also have half French windows from where you will get a great view of your neighborhood. Right over here, we have the wardrobe space provided, and there's extra space beside the wardrobe that you can customize as your makeup room. Right beside this, we have the attached washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the wall fittings. So this was the 2 BHK show flat tour of Green Terraces in Godrej City by Godrej Properties. If you like the project, you can book your own free site visit by registering on housey.com. And if you want the e-brochure of this project, you can click on the link mentioned in the description below. And before going, don't forget to subscribe to Housey for more such details and more updates. Till then, bye bye, take care.
So everyone, this was the 2 BHK sample flat tour of residential project Godrej Green Terraces located in Panvel by Godrej Properties.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.